Hey creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to learn about pencil grades and techniques of shading, so let's get started. Things to remember: F on the pencil denotes fine point, whereas H stands for hardness, that is darker in shade, and B stands for blackness, which is softer in shade. In addition to that, soft leads do the work quickly with thick strokes, but hard leads take more time because of thin strokes. Harder the pencil, the more time it will take. Starting with a demo for you to understand more about it. I'm shading these boxes with Faber-Castell graphite pencil, moving from lighter to darker tones with same amount of pressure applied on it. As you can see, starting of the boxes from F to HB are lighter in tone, and from B to 8B onwards are darker in shade because of thick leads with less time taken. I'm using my fingers to blend it, and on that note, if you haven't subscribed already, do click that subscribe button. Coming on to techniques of shading, the first one is hatching. In this method, lines are drawn in same direction close to each other. Second technique is called cross-hatching, which includes vertical and horizontal lines overlapping each other. To be very honest, this is one of my favorite methods. Third method is blending, for which we will need a brush or a tissue paper, a blending stump, or whatever is available to you. Also, you can use any sort of brush. That might be a makeup brush or watercolor brush or anything. This method is good for smooth textures. Fourth technique is rendering, in which we are going to do the same thing as the blending technique, smudging or blending it with the makeup brush. We are going to use kneaded eraser for highlights and then blending it again. Coming on to fifth technique, which is scribbling. In this method, we doodle with random lines, focusing on the pressure from lights to darks. And finally, the last technique, which is stippling. Countless dots to create values in your drawings. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, and do let me know your favorite method. Bye bye.